Ladies and gentlemen, the sun is shining today. I got the hoodie and sweats on, looking like an absolute scrub, paired with the Ray-Bans, baby. That's just the fit of the day. But as you just saw, we did kind of a super quick cleaning of the car. Now that it's clean, technically not, it is time to detail the interior completely. So I'm super excited. Finally back in the S5. You guys have probably been wondering where this car has been. It has not been featured in the last couple videos. So I'm here to answer that today. To be perfectly honest with you, it was not in the videos because it's just been sitting. It's been sitting and collecting dust because I've been at school. As you guys know, I'm a full-time student, part-time YouTuber. The academics and studies are coming first, but great news. We just ended up on Christmas break. I say Christmas break because my school is doing like a combined Thanksgiving and Christmas break. So I don't know, COVID, whatever. But what that does mean is I have 45 days where I'm not at school. So I am gonna be busting out the videos for you guys, busting out the content. Hopefully y'all are around, sticking around, appreciating. Actually, I know you are because we just hit 1,800 subscribers. So huge milestone, thank you guys so much. My goal is to hit 2,000 before Christmas. So I know we're gonna make it happen. I know you guys are killing it. So thank you guys for the continued support. If you are new here, my name is Kevin. I do videos on my S5 and make it fast and make it shiny. You guys know the deal. Sorry for some of the glare in the sun right now, but I am driving. I am so excited to be back making videos. You guys don't know. We're on the way to the shop. Can't wait to get this car clean because it's been so filthy for so long. You guys saw the before. You know, it's hilarious because I watch these YouTubers like Thick Whips, and every time he opens his trunk, immaculate. And then I go to open mine, I'm like, this ain't cutting it. No. I'm taking my car to my tuner on Monday to look at the rotors. Something I think is wrong with the rotors. So hopefully get that fixed in a timely manner. But until then, we're focusing on the interior of this car. Let's get to the shop. I'll catch you guys over there. Holy cow, I gotta clean my lens. The glare is bad, but 60,000 miles. That's a big milestone. Just hit it on the S5. Probably going to be doing a review because now I've owned the car for approximately 22,000 miles. Gonna be doing like a 20,000 mile kind of thoughts and review because there have been a couple things that happened since my real last car update. But guys, 60,000 on the S5, pretty cool. We got some truck stuff today, ladies and gents.
Tons of trucks.
This thing's cool. This is probably like an $80,000 truck. Outside of the car is filthy, obviously. Not even going there today.
Look at my merch.
Oh, we got some cool merch. M22 merch with the E30 and the 911 that Reed shot. That's cool stuff. Reed, I know you're watching.
Reed's getting a free shirt.
Reed's getting a free shirt. Anyways, the interior of this car, like I mentioned, just moved back from college for the next 45 days or so. Disgusting. Huge improvement though from the before and after. Now there's finally nothing like in my car. It's just the crap that's like all around here. We got to vacuum it out, throw some detail, whatever. Interior cleaner. Trunk is looking a lot better. Look at all this. I don't even know where this stuff comes from, man. Gross. For the viewer's sake, I cut out the boring stuff. We are finally clean, interior-wise. Gonna get the floor mats back in here. Sorry for the poor lighting. I think we're gonna stripe the Alcantara because that makes all the difference. We're gonna make sure the pedals are clean, the shifter, the wheel, literally everything in this car, just perfect. And then we're gonna get some after shots, but that's where we are. Alcantara is next. The interior is finally clean. Oh, also, I don't know if this is just me, but I found like 4 pairs of glasses in my car while I was cleaning. So maybe I'm just a glasses hoarder, or if you guys have the same thing, let me know. Also, quick question, because most of my audience are between the ages of 18 and 35 and are males, according to my analytics, are you guys participating in No Shave November? I wanna know. way home, we got Evan shooting some rollers of the S5, vice versa. That is a cool truck, I must say. Looks very clean, just detailed. I think he hit it with some ceramic as well. Let me close that, it's a little bit loud, my apologies. Cool day, fun day, productive day overall. We got this interior spotless. Everything is looking good. Much better than this morning, I tell you what. I am not exaggerating, about 35 to 45 minutes just vacuuming this car. So that says enough. Honestly, just huge day and night difference. I'm glad y'all got to be part of this experience with me. Cool sunset we got going on here. A lot of pinks and blues. Guys, drink water, be safe. Thank you for watching the video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, we'll see ya. Adios.